सेंटर में बैठ और मेरे लिए बोलोगे तो इधर कर लेंगे।
Okay, now we are starting today's class. So, as we know very well that we are great people because we live in a great country, and this country is known for its fairs, its festivals, its culture, its Sanatan culture. And recently, yesterday, we all have celebrated a nice festival that is called Makar Sankranti. And this is a great festival that is celebrated all over the country, and also, but in different ways. There are different activities regarding this festival. So, how did you celebrate this festival? What is your experience? So, today you have to express your feelings about this festival. What do you know about this festival? And what did you do yesterday to celebrate this festival? So, I would like to get your names in message box and
Good
get
evening,
ready for
sir.
it. Very good evening, Mita. So, my dear ones, as I have told you that what you have to do in today's class, today we have a speaking session. Topic is Makar Sankranti that you celebrated yesterday. So, what was your feeling, and how did you celebrate it? What do you know about this festival? As much as you can speak, you are most welcome in this class. So, come on. First of all, I am calling. And whose name is this?
Rohit.
Rohit. Yes, come on, Rohit. Aja beta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about Makar Sankranti that I celebrated tomorrow. Yesterday. As you all know that there are many festivals in a year, and most of the people love Makar Sankranti, because it is a good good festival, because on this day we get many things, mostly because of one reason it is celebrated, that on Makar Sankranti Makar Sankranti sunlight is there, and we get vitamin D from sunlight, and
But
sunlight and
okay, okay. Bolo,
yes,
bolo. Bolo.
we get vitamin D from sunlight, and improve our health condition. So this is the one reason why we celebrate Makar Sankranti. I celebrated in this festival in this way, that on 13 January, one day before the Makar Sankranti, at night I was thinking about 14th January, that what will I do, what would I do tomorrow,
Shabash. Huh.
what would I do tomorrow, and what things would I do the on 14 January. So my mother was continuously telling me, asking me to sleep, because she said that if you will not, if you would not sleep, then how would you celebrate your festival? And then, keeping my mother's opinion in my mind, I slept, and in the morning I wake up at
वो कब बेटा
I
थोड़ा ध्यान रख,
uh,
थोड़ा सा वाफ
yes,
फॉर्म का ध्यान रख, यहाँ गड़बड़ कर दे.
in morning I woke up
स्लो रख अपनी
at
स्पीड और फ्लो ला.
yes.
हाँ.
In morning, I woke up at 6 a.m. because of the curiosity of this festival, and at 6:30, I go to the
वेंट वेंट आएगा ना फिर वही बात.
I went to my roof, and there I saw that there is no kite,
अरे
and
वाज यार क्या कर रहा है तू.
there was no kite in the sky,
फोकस
and
करना थोड़ा सा टेंस के ऊपर. हाँ. हाँ.
I came back, and I came downstairs.
हाँ.
After some time, at 8 o'clock, I went again to the roof. I went again to the rooftop, and then I started flying kites till 12 o'clock, and after that I had some lunch, and I ate something to get some energy. and after that I continuously flying kites and also taking also took the kites which were coming from the back, which are coming from back of my house, and at night I fired lalteens and some crackers, and in this way I celebrated my festival with a full joy. And also there was relatives on my house, and so it was a festival of the full. It was a festival of joy for me and my family members. That's it.
वेरी गुड, ओके। थोड़ा ध्यान रखा करो, चाहे स्पीड स्पीड कम रखो अपनी। अब ग्रामेटिकल करेक्ट होनी चाहिए चीजें, समझ गए ना? इस तरह की गलतियां बर्दाश्त नहीं की जाएंगी मिस्टर। अब यस हर्ष।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. everyone. My name is Harshal, and today my topic is Makar Sankranti. As we all know that yesterday we all celebrated the festival Makar Sankranti, and today I will tell you that how I celebrated my festival. And just one day before the festival, I was सर तंगदान लोग क्या बोलेंगे?
भैया वही करेंगे, पुट द तंग, तंग को तो तंगी कहेंगे अपन।
I put the tongue, I put the thread in all my kites, and my dream was to fly. My dream, I thought that my kite should be the one who
विच
which flies the first. But I was not able to do so because there was no air, so I was not able to fly. So I came back from roof at 6, and again went to roof at 8 o'clock, and I started flying my kites at 8 o'clock till 10. Then I took a bath and eat
एट
some and had
एट की जगह हेड ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, एंड हेड।
and had my breakfast.
हाँ,
Then I again went to roof, but this time I was not flying kites. I was just sitting on a chair and looking opposite direction of the air, and trying to see that some other kite is coming to my house or not. Because that time my brother was flying kites, so I took rest. But when my brother was tired, I started flying kites, and at the same moment my uncle came to my house from my village. So he brought some refreshment from me from my village. So when my uncle was flying kites, I had my lunch. Then me and my uncle flew a lot of kites.
मीनिंग आई एंड माय अंकल।
My uncle and I flew a lot of kites. But I was also not happy because my father was not there with me, because he did not have a holiday on the same day. So after my uncle went to the village, and then after some time only my Mosi came to my house with her friend. So then again I was busy in serving them, and they did not know how to fly kites. So I flew the kites for them, and in this way I celebrated my festival. And at night I flew some lanterns and burned some crackers. That's it.
लैंटर्न बोलते हैं इसको इंग्लिश में, अपन क्या बोलते हैं? लैंटर्न। चलो, बहुत
Lantern.
अच्छा है, वेरी गुड। यस कम ऑन रक्षित।
Yes, sir.
सभी लोग सुने ध्यान
Hello,
से, जिससे
everyone.
कि आप अच्छा बोल पाए। हाँ, यस कम ऑन रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling about my experience of the Makar Sankranti festival. As we all know that India is the festival. India is the country of festivals and its cultural heritage, and one of the festival of it is Makar Sankranti.
Hmm.
that is the festival of kite fighting and enjoyment.
Shabash.
And
Hmm.
it is celebrated on 14th of January every year.
Hmm.
And this date has recently gone, and this festival also. And the experience of this the experience of mine of this festival was very nice.
शाबाश, बहुत
And
अच्छा बोल रहे हो, वेरी गुड. हाँ.
uh, at mo- I as I woke up at morning, I went on the rooftops, and I saw that there was many people flying kite. There was many.
Many people were. थोड़ा फोकस करो.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
हाँ.
There were many people on the roofs, and many kites were flying in the sky. People were shouting after cutting another's
शाबाश,
kite.
वेरी गुड, बहुत
Some of
बढ़िया.
them were catching the kites that had been cut and from the rooftops. And I exchanged greetings of the Makar Sankranti also with others. And then I started to fly my kite. And at afternoon, I ate my lunch because I was tired of flying kite. Then I took some rest, and after that, I again started to fly kites. And
हाँ, बोलो, शाबाश, अच्छा बोल
and
रहे हो, वेरी गुड. हाँ.
and I ate I ate til ke laddu also as a sweet on this day, because this is very famous. And and uh, and at night, and whole day I flew kite. And at night, I with my family flew lantern in the sky. And this way I celebrated my Makar Sankranti festival, and this was my experience. So that's it.
शाबाश, नाइस स्पीकिंग बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. नाइस एक्सप्लेनेशन. यस, कम ऑन, गौरव.
Yes, sir. My name is Gauravan, and my today's topic is about Makar Sankranti and how I celebrated it. Makar, in the morning, I was very excited to fly kites, and at night to fly lanterns. And at the 7 o'clock, I had my breakfast,
वेरी गुड.
and directly I walked. I ran to the terrace to see how many kites have cut.
और हैव
Or
कट नहीं
had
क्या? और हैव क्या होता है?
or had cut.
तो आर क्यों आएगा बेटा? आर के साथ हेड आता है क्या? हेड कट,
Or
आगे बोलो. आर की क्या जरूरत पड़ रही है?
had cut,
हाँ.
and I looked for many kites because I want to collect many kites,
I
and
wanted,
say,
पास्ट
I
टेंस में यूज
wanted
होगा. हाँ.
I wanted to collect
तो तू बैठ जा,
kites
बैठ जा, एक जगह पे बैठ जा, बिल्कुल फिक्स हो जा.
and
हाँ.
save for the next year.
हाँ.
And I found many kites, and around 11 kites I found, and the rest 20 I bought from the shop. And till morning till afternoon, I flew kites with my friends, and I flew the kite up to 200 meter. And after it, I took my breakfast, lunch, and after the lunch, whole day I flew the kites. And at night, me and my family thanked the God for a happy and peaceful previous year, and flew the
Lantern.
lanterns. And then I took the dinner and slept. That's it.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश। और बैठ के बोला कर शांति से। हाँ, भगता मत रहा कर, इधर से उधर भगता रहता है तू। अब शांति से बैठ के बोला तो अच्छे से बोल दिया ना। यस, नाउ सुशील।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and I am student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16. And today our topic is Makar Sankranti. As we know that India is a country of festivals
हम्म
because many festivals are celebrated here
हम्म
like Holi, Diwali, Teej,
हम्म
Gangaur,
हम्म
etc.
हम्म
Makar Sankranti is one of them,
हम्म
and it is celebrated in the month of January,
हम्म
and it is also called the Festival of Kites.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ।
Uh, I want to tell you that why do we celebrate this festival?
हम्म
We celebrate this festival because on this day the sun enters in the Makar Rashi.
वेरी गुड।
So we celebrate this festival,
हम्म
and on the same day there was n- there was a nice event whose name is the Mela of Kumbh,
हम्म
and it comes once in 12 years.
हम्म
And this festival is celebrated with pomp and show.
हम्म
Uh, and on this day, people donate sweets, kites to poor
हम्म
because it is considered auspicious.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बोलते रहो।
And on this day, people fly kites on their roof with a music system, and people go to their roof at 5 a.m. because they are eager to fly their kites.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया।
And
नाइस यूजिंग
first
दोस
of all,
वर्ड्स, वेरी गुड। यस।
yes sir, first of all they apply music system and they start to fly kites,
हम्म
and and they also
नहीं, तुमने
say
बताओ,
that
तुमने क्या किया है,
hooray.
बताओ, तुम्हारा बताओ तुम तो।
Yes sir, yes
हम्म
sir. uh, and they also say hooray,
हम्म
wo
हम्म
wo kate,
हम्म
aibo,
हम्म
etc.
हम्म
Now I am telling you that how did I celebrate this festival.
हम्म
uh, First of all, I woke up at 6 a.m. and then I took bath, and then I went to mandir,
हम्म
uh, and 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 I celebrated this festival in my village
हम्म
with my village, and there are many people, and I celebrated this festival with joy.
हम्म
I could not fly kites because because there are uh, because there is no people who fly kites,
हम्म
but but so that's it.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं है। अच्छे बोल रहे थे लेकिन कोई
थैंक
बात
यू
नहीं,
सर।
ओके, इट्स ओके। इसको भी ठीक करना है धीरे धीरे आपको, है ना?
ओके सर।
हाँ, यस, कम ऑन कोमल।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Barwa and I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from batch 20, and today my topic is Makar Sankranti. We all know that we live in Bharat and there are many festivals like Holi, Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Tej, Gangaur, etc. And Makar, all festivals are very important and en- happy, enjoyable for us, and all most of the people celebrate all festivals with joy and happiness. And we are Hindus and we also celebrate other festivals, and Makar Sankranti is one of them. Makar Sankranti is the famous festival, and all people enjoy on this day, and it is
दिस डे,
very
ऑन की जरूरत नहीं है, ऑल पीपल एंजॉय दिस डे, ऑन की जरूरत नहीं है,
okay.
हाँ बोलो। हम्म,
Okay, sir. And it is celebrate. It is celebrated every year,
हम्म,
and it is very famous festival. And on this day, oh, sorry, sir. This day, special food was prepared, and tilke laddu also prepared, and and all people fly kites on their rooftops, and music music is also
प्लेड, प्लेड, हाँ।
played
हम्म,
by people, and uh, I enjoy this festival also, but I can't fly kite because I don't know. And this festival was very happiness and enjoyable all by all people, and I like this festival. That's it, sir.
ओके, थोड़ा सा ठीक करना बेटा, ना रिकॉर्डिंग सुनो। बाकी ठीक है, अच्छा बोल रहे हो, फ्लो बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है ना? और थोड़ा सा फोकस करना है बेटा अभी, है ना? सबको ही करना है, थोड़ा जहाँ जहाँ कमियां हैं इनको सबको ठीक करो। यस, कम ऑन अर्शित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moore. I'm the student of Raman online interactive classes. Today's my topic is Makar Sankranti and how I celebrated this festival. And first of, and India is the country of festivals because many festivals are celebrated here, and um, Makar Sankranti is one of them. Before I tell you about how I celebrated this festival, I would like to tell you why this festival is celebrated. Makar Sankranti is celebrated at when winter is about to end and longer days are about to come. Because the sun moves in the northward direction,
सुनो, चाय बना लेना।
and I celebrated Makar Sankranti in a very in a nice manner. Uh, First of all, I woke up at 6 a.m. and I looked outside my home, and there was too much fog that I was not able to go at the roof. And again, then I went at my rooftop on at 7:30, and I saw that many people were flying kites. So I took my kites and jerky and daga and started flying the kites. And and there was a music system also which was entertaining all of us. And I, along with my family, flew many kites. And from the beginning of the day to the end of the day, I was flying kite only. And uh, and on this day, I ate tilke laddu at my rooftop while flying kites. And in the afternoon, I took uh, uh, I took my lunch because I was tired. After flying kites, I in the night we I along with my family flew Lelton, and it was a very it was a very joyful and very it was a very joyful moment for me and all the people who were celebrating this festival along with me. And with all the members of our nation. That's it, sir.
Very good. Short and sweet. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Yes, come on, Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today, my topic is Makar Sankranti. So, first of all, I like to tell you that why we celebrate Makar Sankranti. We celebrate Makar Sankranti because the sun goes in Makar Rashi, and it is a important time for us. So this is celebrated as Makar Sankranti. So on this day, I and my all family woke up early in the morning. My father goes to shop. Sorry, went to shop early, and they start their
दे
marketing
नहीं ही दे क्यों आएगा? कैसी कैसी गलतियां करती है?
because he started their marketing. After it, all my family members one by one went shop and
Went to
uh,
shop, to the shop.
went to the shop
छोटी
and
छोटी गलतियों को ठीक कर बेटा इनको वहाँ.
and helped my father
Hmm.
in their work.
In his work.
Sir. In his work. After it, we came back our home at 5 p.m. After it, we took a rest for some time and prepared food. Mm, in the night about 8 p.m. we went for flying lanterns. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good. Okay. ठीक है. Yes, come on, Aditya.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Donawad. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's our topic is Makar Sankranti. As we all know that yesterday we
Celebrated. Tense का ध्यान रखो.
celebrated Diwali. Sorry, Makar Sankranti. As we all know that Makar Sankranti is a very nice festival. All children get up early in the morning and watch the time and go to bath and get ready for flying kite.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो. Very good. ऐसे बोलो धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से.
And children fly kite after some time. Some children fly kite with the help of dhaga and manja.
All people fly kite with the help of dhaga and manja. So where is the question? What is the question of some? आगे बोलो, कोई बात नहीं. बोलो बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत. बोलो.
Some people will cut the kites and catch these kites. And this is a very big thing.
ऐसे बोलते रहो, अच्छा बोल रहे हो. Very good.
Some children say that say some dialogues like my kite is very best, others kite is very bad.
वेस्ट के साथ वेरी नहीं लगाते हैं. वेस्ट जब आता है तो वेरी नहीं लगाते. आगे बोलो 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 बोलो, घबराओ मत.
Some children fly paper kites and cloth kite.
Hmm.
With any children, and I celebrate Makar Sankranti with the help of kites.
अच्छा, ओके, बाय फ्लाइंग काइट्स ऐसे बोल सकते हो, विद द हेल्प नहीं, बाय फ्लाइंग काइट्स, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो।
Okay, sir.
हम्म
I fly kites. I fly kites 9 a.m.
नहीं तो फ्लू पास्ट में बोल रहे हो ना आप, तो आपने क्या किया वही तो बता रहे हो ना,
Yes, sir.
तो फिर पास्ट की वर्ब फॉर्म यूज करो, फ्लू।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, फोकस करो थोड़ा सा। हाँ,
I flew kites at 9 a.m.
हम्म
and all family members come came to roof
हम्म
and flew kites.
हम्म
And we eat food at 2 p.m. 2 o'clock
ईट क्यों एट आएगा ना, वी हैड
at
फूड। हाँ, पास्ट का ध्यान रखो, पास्ट यूज होगा।
and we celebrated Makar Sankranti धूमधाम से, क्या कहेंगे,
पॉम्प एंड शो।
pomp and show. At last, I want to say that Makar Sankranti is a very best festival. Yes, that's
फिर
it.
वही बैरी लगाया ना बेस्ट के साथ, ऐसे नहीं लगाया करो, सोचा करो, बेस्ट का सुपरलेटिव डिग्री होती है, इसके साथ वेरी नहीं लगता। इज वेरी नाइस फेस्टिवल, इज वेरी गुड फेस्टिवल, ऐसे बोला करो, ठीक है बेटा, थोड़ा ध्यान रखो बेटा, बाकी अच्छा बोल रहे हो, कोशिश करो बस। वेरी गुड, यस, कम ऑन कबीर।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I'm a student of Ramad English Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's my topic is Makar Sankranti. As we know that we live in the Rajasthan, and there are many festivals
सेलिब्रेटेड। हाँ,
celebrated in it. Makar Sankranti is one of them. And today I tell you what I did in Makar Sankranti. First of all, I woke up late in the morning, and I went to my father's shop for work, and I come to my home, and I came to my home and bathed,
took bath,
and
आराम से बोलो, घबराओ मत। हाँ,
yes, sir. At 10 o'clock, I go to my roof. I went to my roof and started flying kites. After some time, I went to my father's shop, and then I लूटने
को लूट, I looted.
I looted many kites and also sell many kites.
Sold. Sold कैसे होगा?
Also sold many kites.
मम्मी को बोलना चाय बना देगी बेटा।
when I came to my home, I eat food.
चल रहने दे बेटा, रहने दे, नहीं रहने दो, सुन लिया मैंने सब, रहने दो, पानी बोतल दे दे, बस मत बनाना चाहे, रहने दो।
हेलो सर।
हाँ बोल बेटा, मना कर देना। हाँ
I ate food.
नहीं चाहिए.
I ate food, and after some time, I went to my I went to my mama's home,
Hmm.
and at last I want to say that Makar Sankranti is a very nice festival. Yes, sir, that's it.
Okay, very good. बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट्स किया, शाबाश. Yes, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is Makar Sankranti. There are many festivals like Holi, Deepavali, Makar Sankranti, and etc. Makar Sankranti is a more important festival for children because that day the children fly kite, and the children like this festival very much.
Hmm.
And that day I woke up at 7 p.m. and after that I was working my practical file till
I was
12
working नहीं,
p.m.
I worked. I prepared my practical file. ऐसे बोलोगे ना?
Yes, sir. I prepared my practical file till 12 p.m. and after that I took bath and I ate food and I went on the roof. I saw there were many kites in the sky, and
शाबाश, शाबाश.
there were many people, and and the people and the people run music with high volume, and the sky look very beautiful because
Looked.
they
हाँ, was looking
looked
very beautiful. ये past continuous में चलेगा. हाँ.
was looking very beautiful because there were many kites in the sky,
Hmm.
and I I flied many
I
kites and
flew second form.
flew
फ्लाइट नहीं
होगी.
होता है, फ्लू होता है सेकंड फॉर्म. फ्लाई, फ्लू, फ्लॉन. बोलो फटो,
Yes, sir.
ठीक करके बोलो. हाँ.
I flew many kites and I cut 4-5 kites. After that I ate til ke laddu, and I and I went to my friend's house, and there both
We
flew many
both,
kites.
we both.
We both flew many kites, and we caught many kites.
Hmm.
And at the evening time we flew laltan,
Hmm.
and I enjoyed this festival very much, and this it is celebrate 40 January.
It is celebrated on 14 January. 14 नहीं, 14.
On 14 January.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. बस कोशिश करते रहो ऐसे. शाबाश. Yes, काजल. काजल.
Good evening, sir.
हाँ बेटा. बोलो.
तो मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है.
Good evening, sir. Today my topic is Makar Sankranti. India is the festival of India is the country of festivals. There are many festivals celebrated here, like Makar Sankranti, Diwali, Holi, etc. Sankranti, one of them is one of them. This day, many kites fly in the sky. It comes Makar Sankranti comes
comes in the month of January.
Hmm.
It is celebrated on 14 January.
Hmm.
On this day, people prepare dal bati churma
Hmm.
at their homes,
Hmm.
and many children fly kites and they play with marble.
ठीक है, मार्बल्स बोलो.
On this day, the sky remains very colorful.
Hmm. शाबाश.
Uh,
क्या हुआ? डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई क्या? हेलो काजल, आई थिंक शी इज डिस्कनेक्टेड. ओके, चलो कोई बात नहीं है. खुशी तुम आओ. खुशी गुजर.
Yes, sir. My name is Kushi Gujjar. My topic is Makar Sankranti festival.
शाबाश.
There are many festivals in our country
Hmm.
like Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, etc.
Hmm.
Makar Sankranti is one of them.
Hmm.
We celebrate in 14 January
We celebrate
Makar
it.
Sankranti.
We celebrate Makar Sankranti on 14 January.
I woke up early morning in yesterday
In नहीं,
and
yesterday.
I yesterday.
In नहीं, हाँ.
Okay, sir. I went my room
I
and
went. हाँ बोलो बोलो.
I saw there are many kites
There were.
in the
थोड़ा सा फोकस कर लो बस.
there were many kites in the sky and sky looked very beautiful.
Sky was looking very beautiful. Past continuous use करोगे तो और भी अच्छा लगेगा.
Okay, sir. I wore new clothes in yesterday
इन नहीं लगाते बेटा, yesterday से पहले इन नहीं लगाते. yesterday से पहले, हाँ.
and I flew a kite and I ate till laddu and finished and I caught turkey
हाँ.
when my brother was flying kite
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया.
and we cut many kites.
शाबाश.
And there were many people on their roof
हाँ,
and
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया.
playing music with loud volume, high volume,
हाँ, at high volume. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, बहुत
and
अच्छा.
enjoy the festival. And evening time, I saw there were many lalten in the sky,
शाबाश.
and that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे थे. बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो बस, कुछ नहीं है. छोटी मोटी गलतियां ठीक हो जाएंगी कोशिश करने से, है ना बेटा? यस, कम ऑन वैष्णवी. काजल बोलोगे क्या आगे? या हो गया था?
आवाज डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी।
हाँ बोलना है,
हाँ सर।
आ जाओ। बोलो काजल, दोबारा से बोलो।
फिर दोबारा से लो।
हाँ बोलो।
Sir, my topic is Vasanti. Festivals.
आवाज सही नहीं है
There
तुम्हारी,
are many
कनेक्टिविटी।
festivals
हाँ बोलो
celebrated.
बोलो बोलो बोलो।
Uh, mm, like Holi, Diwali, Makar Sankranti, etc. Makar Sankranti is one of them. It is celebrated in the month of January. It comes on 14th January. On this day, people prepare dal bati churma at their homes, and many children fly kites and also play with marble. On this day, people remain very happy. This festival comes with joy. It is very joyful festival. On this day, the sky remain very colorful and also very beautiful. Uh, it is very joyful festival. All children remain very happy on this day. It is very nice festival. That's it.
ओके वेरी गुड, ठीक है, अच्छा है, वेरी गुड। यस कम ऑन वैष्णवी।
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18, and today our topic is Makar Sankranti. As you know that India is the land of festivals, and many festivals are celebrated here like Holi, Diwali, Makar Sankranti, etc. And Makar Sankranti is one of them. And now I'm telling how do I celebrate yesterday.
How did I celebrate it yesterday?
How did I celebrate yesterday?
इट बेटा, इट लगाओगे ना, हाउ डिड आई सेलिब्रेट इट यस्टरडे, पूरा बोलो, घबराओ मत, टूटे फूटे सेंटेंस नहीं।
Every year my grandparents and cousins come to the Jaipur and celebrate the
जगह से पहले दानी लगाते।
Okay, sir.
आराम से बोलो, घबराओ।
Come to Jaipur and celebrate Makar Sankranti, and I woke up at 7:30 a.m. Then I took a bath, and I took bath. Then I do puja. Then I do puja, and after that, me and my cousins and grandparents went to the roof, and then we started to flying kites.
Flying to को हटा दो, उसकी जरूरत नहीं। Started flying kites.
Then some people, all our neighbors were their roof, and they were on their roof, and they were also flew the kites.
अरे flying ही तो आएगा। क्यों कंफ्यूज हो रही है? उड़ा रहे थे।
flying the kites
हाँ, दा मत
and
लगाया करो, दा बहुत ज्यादा यूज करते हो। आगे बोलो, ठीक करो, थोड़ा ध्यान दो। हाँ,
and some people were playing music
हाँ, हाँ,
and my brother also play and my brother also flying the kite
वाज
and I
आएगा ना
hold
फिर, वाज आल्सो फ्लाइंग द काइट्स,
was also
फ्लाइंग काइट्स।
flying
टेंस का ध्यान रखो, घबराओ मत। सबसे ज्यादा गलतियां वर्ब फॉर्म में होती है।
and I also flew
ठीक है, फ्लू अब ठीक है, चल जाएगा, उड़ाई मैंने।
and I also flew the kite and I cut many kites and then my mother prepare तिल के लड्डू, दाल की पकौड़ी वगैरह एक्सेट्रास,
हाँ, बोलो।
का हलवा and we were taking all these dishes and we were very enjoying this festival so much and
यहाँ पर we enjoyed
वो भी
चल जाएगा। हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो।
yes sir then we took the rest and after that in the evening I flew the lanterns and our neighbors were also flew the
फ्लूवर क्यों आएगा?
lantern
फ्लाइंग आएगा
flying
या फिर फ्लू बोलो खाली। दोनों तो मिक्स नहीं कर सकते ना अपन, या तो सिंपल पास्ट या पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस। कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो।
and all the lanterns were in the sky and it looks very beautiful.
It was looking. Sky was looking very beautiful.
It was very
बोला करो।
and sir yes that's it.
Okay. अच्छा है, कोशिश अच्छी है, बस थोड़ा फोकस करो और अपना अच्छे से करने की कोशिश करो तो बस हो जाएगा। ठीक है ना बेटा? यस, कम ऑन प्रिया।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is my routine on Makar Sankranti. Yes, sir. First of all, I woke up early in the morning at 7 a.m. Then I did meditation for some time. I cleaned my house and then I went for bathing. After bathing, my grandmother called me because there is a custom in my family that on Makar Sankranti, fire is burnt near the edges of doors, and each person of my family put oil with till in that fire and pray to God for good crop and stay positivity in our house.
शाबाश।
Then I cooked dal ki sabji for my family because on Makar Sankranti it is fixed that only our traditional food will be cooked. Then I helped my sister in household work because my mother already had gone to her home. So we prepared churma according to the village custom and we did too much hard work in making this, but enjoyed also. After this, we ate food, and my father praised me for the sabji.
Very good.
We enjoyed the meal, and then I went on the rooftop because my brothers were already there, and I tried to fly kites, but I failed. Even I lost my brother's kite. Then I hold my brother's chakri. After this, I went down and I played kanchi with my siblings. We enjoyed a lot in the evening, and in the evening, me and my sister went to the fields for bringing grass for our animals. And we also clicked many photos and videos there and enjoyed also with the nature. My my fields are my favorite place. And after then we came back
After
to
then, nahi,
home.
after it.
After it we came back to home, and we put grass to the animals, and then I tied warm clothes to my animals. Then mm, then we burned fire in the clay stove. और सर दूध की मटकी को क्या बोलेंगे?
Milk pot.
And I kept milk pot on the stove. And after this, we sat down near the stove and talked and enjoyed with our siblings. And then I went to the sleep. Thus, my whole day was celebrated, and this day remained very memorable for me. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Yes, come on, Madhu.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 20. Today my topic is Makar Sankranti. How was this festival celebrated? India is the festivals country. There are many festivals like Holi, Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Dasera, etc. And Makar Sankranti is one of them. That day, I woke up early in the morning and thanked for giving me this life.
Shabash.
And I after then
After
I
then नहीं होता
cleaned.
बेटा. After it या खाली then बोलो फिर. After की जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay. And then I cleaned my house and I helped my mother in household works. After bathing, I started for making churma. Um, my mother was going to his mother's house. So I had to make churma, dal bati churma.
शाबाश शाबाश. Very good. हाँ. बोलते रहो.
And then we ate food. Me and my mother.
I and my mother.
Sorry. Me and my mother sister.
अरे I and my mother. कंपटीशन में गलतियां करोगे फिर आप. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं वहाँ पर.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. बोलो.
Me and my sister
अरे I and
made.
my sister. खोड़ी में बैठ गया तुम्हारे me and my sister. कोई बात नहीं. आगे बोलो तो.
Okay, sir. I and my sister went to the roof, and my brother was already flying kites on the roof.
शाबाश शाबाश.
Um, I and my siblings flew kites.
हाँ.
Um, many people were flying kites on their roofs. Sky was flew of kites.
The sky was flew. हाँ बोलो. With kites. Of kites नहीं, with kites.
The sky was seeing very beautiful.
Was looking very beautiful.
Was looking very beautiful. And people were shouting when they cut other kites. I played kanchi with my siblings.
शाबाश
We
शाबाश.
enjoy a lot of this day.
Enjoyed. हाँ.
I enjoyed.
This day a lot. हाँ आगे बोलो.
And then I and my sister went to the farm for pet animals grass. And we cut the grass. Then we made a video with nature.
हाँ. Of nature. With
of
nature भी कह सकते हो आप, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ बोलो.
After it, we came back to home. I milked of my buffalo.
Off की जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
I milked my buffalo.
हाँ.
In this way, it was my whole day.
हाँ.
That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला. Very good, very good. Yes, now खुशी बैरवा. आजा बेटा.
Today is I tell you how I celebrated Makar Sankranti yesterday.
शाबाश.
Every year Makar Sankranti is celebrated in the month of January.
हाँ.
Month of January, I woke up. I woke up 8 a.m.
हाँ.
8 a.m. I flew a kite with my brother. After some time, I shouted there, holding my brother Cherki.
हाँ. Shouted. हाँ.
Shouted brother Cherki.
हाँ.
My brother and I cut a lot of kites. There were many kites in the sky.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
In the sky. I took a lot of photos with my family.
हाँ.
I ate pakodi, til laddu, fini,
हाँ.
etc.
हाँ हाँ.
The sky was very colorful yesterday. A lot of people were on the roof yesterday.
शाबाश. हाँ.
I wear new clothes. I fed the cow with my sister.
हाँ.
I made dal bati churma with my mother. Then we flew the lantern.
Lantern. हाँ.
I had a lot of fun with my family yesterday. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. जितना बोला अच्छा बोला. Very good. कोशिश करते रहो वैसे ही. हाँ बेटा. Yes, come on. Rashmi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rashmi Meena. My topic is it was Makar Sankranti yesterday. Makar Sankranti is very popular festival in India. We celebrate this festival on 14 January. We mostly on this day's sun went
Goes.
meet to Shani went to
गोज
went to
जाता
meet
है
Shani.
गया नहीं जाता है हाँ कुछ सेंटेंसेस प्रेजेंट में भी आते हैं ना बेटा बोलो 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 घबराओ मत हाँ
Meet Shanidev, and it was also significance, hope, and beginnings as the sun enters Capricorn. It also marks the start of a new agriculture cycle and end of winters. In Makar Sankranti, we fly kites.
ऑन
This
मकर
festival
संक्रांति इन नहीं ऑन मकर
we
संक्रांति थोड़ा सा आराम से बोलो ध्यान से बोलो थोड़ा सा हाँ
we celebrate this festival with joyness and happiness.
हाँ
It was Makar Sankranti yesterday. I woke up early in the morning. I went to tuition, and after tuition, I went my relative house. I meet my relatives. I flew kites with my relatives. Many people flew kites. There was many kites.
आराम से बिल्कुल तसल्ली से घबराने की हड़बड़ाना नहीं बिल्कुल आराम से बोलो आराम से
There,
हाँ
there was many kites in the sky. I played many games with my relatives, and we ate many dishes. In night, I flew lantern, which is looking very beautiful.
which were आराम से
Which were looking very beautiful. I enjoyed this festival very much. That's it, sir.
बहुत अच्छा बोला लेकिन बहुत जल्दबाजी में बोल दिया आराम से तसल्ली से धीरे धीरे बोला कर एक तो है ना हाँ स्पीड थोड़ी कम रख अपनी और भी ज्यादा बोल लेती और भी अच्छा बोला है लेकिन एकदम से स्पीड थोड़ी कम रख बेटा है ना स्पीड कम रहती तो और भी दो चार चीजें बोल लेती है अभी तो हड़बड़ाहट बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा बोल रही है और तरीका पकड़ो और कैसे अपन अच्छे बोले और कैसे अच्छा करें अपन इसको है ना बेटा हाँ बेटा वेरी गुड वेरी नाइस परफॉर्मेंस शाबाश यस कम ऑन मुस्कान
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone, and today I am telling about Makar Sankranti. India has many festivals like Makar Sankranti, Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, etc. Today I am telling about Makar Sankranti.
शाबाश बेटा वेरी गुड बेटा ऐसी बोल पर ध्यान से धीरे 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 हाँ
Makar Sankranti comes on 14 January. On this day, the sky looking very colorful and beautiful.
looking नहीं looks
And children fly kites on that terrace. Because there is a lot of air there.
शाबाश शाबाश बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है वेरी गुड घबराए मत फोकस कर और बोलती रहे बस हाँ
That way kite fly very well. Some children are playing marbles.
आर प्लेइंग क्यों प्ले आएगा बस खाली प्रेजेंट सिंपल प्रेजेंट में तो चलेगा भी तो बता रही ना कैसे होता है ये तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट में चलेगा ना फोकस कर जरा वर्ब फॉर्म पे हाँ
And women play stolia on this day.
शाबाश वेरी गुड बोलती रहे
Some people wake up early and take bath. Everyone makes dal bati churma, gajar ka halwa, and til ke laddu.
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है शाबाश वेरी गुड बेटा हाँ
Those children how do not can
those children who do not know
know
flying kites
now fly kites. They watch kites fight
हाँ
and and everyone uh,
looks happy.
everyone looks happy.
हाँ शाबाश, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी तू। हाँ अच्छा बोल रही है, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है। हाँ
Uh, some people fly
लैंटर्न,
lantern
हाँ बोल बोल बोल। हाँ
and
हम्म
night
हम्म
and sky look beautiful.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बोलती रहे। हाँ
And some some kids some kids सर पतंग को लूटते से उसको क्या कहेंगे?
लूट, रन आफ्टर काइट्स, लूट, सम चिल्ड्रन लूट काइट्स, लूट बोलते हैं बेटा, लूट को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हाँ
Some children's loots kite
हम्म
and I like Makar Sankranti. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, ये तो बताया नहीं तूने कैसे मनाया। हाँ बहुत अच्छा बोला, लेकिन शाबाश, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप बेटा, बहुत अच्छा कर रही है। बस इसे नीचे नहीं जाना है ना, और इम्प्रूव ही करना है अपने आप को। चलिए, आई थिंक ऑल हैव स्पोकन, आई एम क्लोजिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग, थैंक यू वेरी मच।